And here, and today I'm going to show you on how to get your iPhone, iPod Touch, or iPad out of the recovery loop. So first you need the iREB, need iTunes, and this works with any devices than a former devices. And first, I'll show you what happens. It's trying to update to iOS 15 points, and when it's not letting me. So here, I'll show you what happens when I disconnect it. Here happens when I try to do the emergency way. And just see if we can plug it in. See, there's the problem. So first thing you do is go to recovery mode loop fixer, set auto boot true fixes, 10-15 errors, recovery loops. Recovery loops cannot be removed on tethered jailbroken devices. Hit that, and your device should turn on like normal. See, there you go. See now my device is working normal again. So yeah. So anyways, that's how you get your your iPhone, iPod Touch, or iPad out of recovery loop. So if you need help, please leave a comment down section below. So yeah. So remember to rate, like, comment, share, subscribe, and bye.